There's like a little bit of like creative action going on here today. So how do we get started?
Okay, Des, well, this is a delicious recipe. And again, it's so easy and so delicious. So what I want to mention is one of my favorite things to do on a Sunday afternoon is to cook up a whole pan of chicken. And then I shred it, I cube it, I slice it, and I freeze it in 1 cup portions.
Okay.
And then I can use it for all kinds of wonderful recipes like these flatbreads or tacos or enchiladas or for salads.
Just dreaming of all the things you're going to do with it. All the time it's going to save you as well.
Exactly. And also one of my favorite ways to use leftover chicken or that chicken that I've cooked up on the weekend is to make these delicious barbecue chicken flatbreads.
Okay, we get to make them tonight.
We do. So these just come together beautifully. So I'm going to start out by getting you to add 3/4 of a cup of a barbecue sauce to 2 cups of shredded chicken. And that's about 2 to 3 chicken breasts.
Okay.
And I'm just going to toss that. And Daz, well, I can grab that. Thank you. Awesome. So while I'm tossing this, I am going to get you to just coat our flatbreads with a little more barbecue sauce. And you know what's great about this flatbread recipe is you can use pitas, you can use naan bread, you can use tortillas, or you can buy flatbreads. I love to use like bread dough or pizza dough and make my own flatbreads.
I was going to say, do you probably make your own?
I love to make a bunch of them and freeze them too. So then you can just pull them out and kids can assemble these or any family member.
Time
They're delicious.
saver queen Gina Sunderland in the house.
That looks awesome.
Just like about that much, or do you need more?
Yeah, no, I think that looks just perfect.
Okay,
Good job.
Okay.
Yeah. So these are delicious. The sky's the limit. You can use any kind of, like I said, any kind of flatbread that you want. But I do love using like pizza dough and making my own
Making your own. Yeah, well,
or bread dough.
Delicious.
Okay, awesome. So now I'm going to take that chicken. So these are bigger flatbreads. So it makes either 2 bigger flatbreads, or you can make 4 smaller ones.
Got it. Okay.
Yeah, so I'm just distributing this beautiful cooked chicken, and then we are going to start layering
Just
on
eat it like that, like
even
surreal.
more flavor. Yeah, like pulled chicken. Okay, so delicious. And you know what? This barbecue sauce smells great.
It does.
Okay.
Well, I guess that you could like seriously just eat it like that. Okay, so now is there a particular order? Or we can do like can we start with the bacon?
We can start with the bacon. So
Okay.
we've got 1/2 cup of crumbled cooked bacon, and you and I are going to go to town here because this is all so delicious.
And this is like, it's just a fun, I mean, I just think cooking is fun anyway.
It is.
But this is like a really fun thing that you can do with your kiddos or whatever. Here, I'll
you can
pass
have like
that
a little
to you.
flatbread party. Okay, and now we've got jalapenos. So 2 finely diced jalapenos. You know what? If they're too spicy for some people, you can just leave them off. I love a little bit of heat. I love the contrasting sweet, salty heat.
I was just thinking about make sure I don't rub my eyes after.
Okay, we won't. We will not do that.
I have done that before. I have done that before.
Me too.
Oh, didn't
You
wash
and
those
I
hands.
both.
Quite
Okay.
good enough.
Right.
Now, we have 2 kinds of cheeses here.
Right,
So
not
tell us-
1, but 2. So
Okay.
we are going to start out with our mozzarella.
Okay.
And we are going to layer on a cup of mozzarella, so about 1/2 cup per flatbread.
So what is this one?
And that is smoked Gouda. And you can use any of your favorite cheeses for this recipe, but oh my goodness.
Smoked Gouda
the
is just
combination. Yeah, mozzarella and smoked Gouda. Couldn't get any better.
No.
All right.
Agreed. Okay.
Okay, these are looking really
coming together.
good. Yeah.
Together.
It's coming together beautifully.
Right.
And then the last element is we are going to add some sliced red onion. I like to slice them nice and thin.
And of course, these are going to kind of caramelize a little bit, and that's going to go so nice with your barbecue.
Yeah,
sauce,
it's just
right?
they're very
so
complementary
sweet.
flavors. Beautiful. And then when these bake, and these bake quick, 425 degrees, about 12 minutes, just until the cheese is nice and melted. And when we pull those out, we add one more final ingredient.
Okay, well then let's pull those out.
Let's
the ones
get
that
them
we've
out.
got go in here.
Because we are getting hungry.
Yeah, indeed. Okay.
Oh my goodness. All right. Yum.
Right?
Those look good.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then we're just gonna layer a few sliced green onions right on top to finish off our barbecue chicken flatbreads.
Like, it smells amazing, looks amazing, and guarantee this is going to taste absolutely incredible. So there you have it. We've got our barbecue chicken flatbreads. Remember, all of these recipes are available at greattastesmb.ca. We are so looking forward to introducing you to another Manitoba farm family when we come back here on Great Tastes of Manitoba.